Download YouTube in HP laptop. First of all, go to Google and search for YouTube. Open the YouTube website in your HP laptop. Now here you can see three dots. Click it here. Scroll down. Here you can see cost, save and share. Here you can see install page as app. Click it here. Install app. Click on install. As you can see, the YouTube app has now installed in your HP laptop. As you can see, the app has now appeared in your HP laptop. If you double click, it will open in your HP laptop. As you can see, the app has now opened in your HP laptop. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.